guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a big giant box here. This is my Fabfitfun winter 2023 box. So here it is, guys, and all its glory. It's nice and big. I hope you guys can see that. This one says, so nice it almost feels naughty. Can't wait to show you guys what I got. So if you want to know what's in this box, then keep on watching. I have the yearly box or the annual subscription, which means I pay upfront and I get to choose all of the 6 to 8 items that I get in the box. So there are no surprises. Unlike the seasonal box, you get to choose up to 4 customizations, and then the other 3 is a surprise and is chosen for you by Fabfitfun. Definitely there's a lot of benefits of being an annual member. You get your boxes sooner, you get first dibs at making your customizations. Just overall, like, I personally love the promptness of it and just having the box sooner than later. I've been a seasonal member for about 2 years actually, and for winter boxes they usually come close to like the first week of December. But I like this because sometimes for winter I use that season to buy Christmas gifts, and with the annual subscription I get the box sooner, so therefore I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, are my gifts gonna arrive in time before Christmas, right? This box is super simple. I love how nice it says, so nice that it almost feels naughty. Like, I love that. I love the green color. It's not like green like my top is. I've been really loving the minimalist design on this box. So let's go ahead and get started and open her up. It says deals for holidays. Deals every week on your favorite brands. Enter to win $1,000. If you guys are interested in watching more Fabfitfun unboxing, I just recently unboxed my advent calendar from Fabfitfun. If you are curious about that, go watch this video over here. Definitely an amazing box. I really like that one. So go check it out to see why I love that box, and it's definitely worth the money. Okay, so for first customization, I will put all of the choices here. Now, choices do slightly change depending on their supply and the amount of products that they have. So sometimes once a product gets all bought out, there will be something else in its place. So what I have to show you is just a snapshot of that time when I was customizing my box. So for first customization, there was a lot of good things, but I ended up getting the Rebecca Minkoff studded bag. And I love Rebecca Minkoff. Actually, it's very stylish. Their bags are very stylish, but they're also affordable. Well, they're not like super affordable. They're in, like, if you are familiar with the Tory Burch bags, they're kind of in that price range, but they're just not as popular as Tory Burch. And here is the bag. So it has like the RM, the logo there. I love this bag. I've never had like a studded bag before, and that's what I love about Rebecca Minkoff, because it kind of turns something ordinary and it just gives it that edgy kind of rock star feel to this bag. So I really love it. Very, very soft leather. You could wear it this way or that way. I love the studs on the bag. It just makes it upscale, and I like it as a crossbody. I think nowadays I live in crossbody bags. Like when I am on real vacations, like on-the-go vacations, I don't want to carry a lot of things. These little small bags, fanny packs, messenger bags, they're all like my go-to right now. No one has time to be carrying humongous bags nowadays. You know what I mean? It's pretty simple. It's like a plain empty space inside. There is one zipper, so you can keep your valuables in there. So there's one zipper pocket, and that's about it. But all I can say is quality is great. If I had one complaint about this bag, I wish it was slightly, ever so slightly bigger. So that's customization 1. Customization too, they did bring back some throwbacks from even as early as last season's, because I see the earrings in here in the customizations. But of all the choices, I ended up getting the NARS lipstick. I've had these before, the NARS lip. It's funny, when I saw the packaging, it didn't look like the color that I had chosen. I chose the color Shag, and this is more of a universal color, and I know that it has a brown undertone to it. So it's a very moussey, lightweight kind of formula, and I really love this. I have another one of these in a different color, which is more orangey, brownie nude kind of, but I think this is like a brownie pink color, and I'm really loving it. I can't wait to use this. For customization 3, I picked something that I've never had before. Honestly, don't know if it's gonna look good on me, but this is a Coach headband, like a warm, you know, head thingy. Let's see, I'm not sure how you're supposed to wear it, but oh gosh, is this how you wear it? I don't know. I love that it's white. I love the Coach logo on it. It kind of has a leathery kind of material. Hold on, I have this lipstick on and I do not want to stain this. Super cute. It's definitely going to keep your ears warm in the winter. Guys, tell me how I'm supposed to wear this. I think if my hair was in a ponytail, it would look much better, and this one goes underneath the hair. So but I love it. I love the quality, and you get a brand name too, like Coach. It is so cute, so cute. I'm definitely gonna use this for Black Friday shopping. Just going back to the first customization, I did get 2 items from that, which means for an additional $15, you can pick another item from that same customization. So I ended up getting huge curling iron. Now, do I need this? I saw it used on one of Fabfitfun's posts, and I felt like I needed that hairstyle stat. So hopefully I'll try to demo this for you guys today and see what happens to my hair, even if I can like half curl it at least. I do have someplace to go, so I better curl the whole thing. But I'm just curious. I'm curious how this works. It looks super bulky though. Ooh, fancy. And I love that it's pink, and I love the packaging to begin with. It comes with gloves so you don't burn your hand, and there you go. So you're supposed to, like, you know, it's supposed to give you kind of like those crimpy looking curls, if that makes sense. But super cute. I love that it's pink. I will try this in a set for you guys and see if it really does work. I expected it to be heavy, but it's surprisingly not. Customization 4, I'm not quite sure which one I picked. I think it's this one, guys. These are bags for travel, and I travel with my family often, mostly with my family. Not that I travel often, but these bags just got me interested. I was hoping it would be longer, but one says wear. You could put your undergarments in here, like clean items. So I like that, and I love how big it is actually. So it's kind of like a drawstring bag. And then the other one says wash, wear and wash. Again, you can pull it to tighten it. So anything that's dirty, you can put it in here. I was thinking too, I could put like, you know, maybe shoes. It's a good way to separate certain items in your suitcase. So really love that. The other item that I got, so I'm really not sure, guys, which customization this is, and it's a cooking apron. I love the color. It's like screams Thanksgiving. I'll just put it in quickly. But yeah, here's the pattern. I love that there's pockets, and the pattern looks so nice. Love the quality. I'm actually wanting to collect more of these. more for the whole like regular year. Next item in the box is a Sology probiotic restoring biodegradable face mask. It nourishes, calms, and protects. I know I can use this. I use my mask, guys. It's like the best way I can pamper myself. It's fully recyclable. And during this time of year, you definitely need all that hydration because your face gets dry with the cold and winter season. So I had to get this. There's about 4 face masks in here. Since they are individually packaged, it is shareable. And sometimes I do throw those in a giveaway. The last item are these Caraway oven mitts. Very good material, like really strong, well-made material. I like the color, very nice. This is what I love about FabFitFun because it is a lifestyle box. So you get lifestyle things, useful items for your life, for your everyday needs. I knew that my pot holders were already old and really super dirty. So I thought that these could replace them. Definitely good quality. And to have it in this box for the price is amazing. Okay, so after FabFitFun customizations, you do get add-ons. You get to choose from the FabFitFun store, and they're very affordable and heavily discounted. So I got 2 of these mini Spawn Gel body scrubs. This one is in the scent Black Orchid. You get up to 7 uses. It's a smaller version of the regular Spawn Gel bath scrubs, and I like it. It's just perfect for gifting. Next one, I needed a moisturizer. The one thing that I noticed in all of my subscription boxes, they rarely give us moisturizers. I could get a ton of serums. I have so many serums, and serums are the more expensive ones, but why? Why aren't they giving away moisturizers? They're more affordable and we use them so often. So I went with a brand that I know and love, Dr. Brandt. And this is the ID Stress Icy Gel Moisturizer. So it's supposed to hydrate, but also give you that cooling sensation. So I'm excited about this. It's my first time trying it. There's no scent. Oops. And this is a facial moisturizer right there. Love the packaging, by the way. Yeah, there's definitely a cooling sensation. It's a gel moisturizer, so it is going to absorb quickly into the skin, light but not oily. I'm already loving it. I really love how it feels on my hand. Hopefully it translates to the skin. So I'm so excited for that. Everyone in my house uses moisturizers and we are down to the last jar. And yeah, we've been sharing actually, and I've been waiting to get some form of moisturizer. So I'm just so glad that I got this. Okay, last item, guys, is by Tula. Tula is another trusted brand of mine, and I love them because of their probiotic ingredients in their skincare. I love their moisturizers. I love their cleansers. So when I saw that they had toner pads, and guys, I tone my face every day, and so I knew I was going to get a lot of use out of this. I think there's around 60 pads in here. So it opens up like so. There's plastic right now. I don't want to open it yet. After you cleanse your face, you can wipe your face again with these toner pads. It's going to reset and restore the pH balance in your skin. It's gonna take off like the excess makeup, excess dirt, and then it gets your face ready for all your skincare serums and moisturizers. So I cannot wait. This is probably something that I'm most excited about. That is everything in this box. What do you guys think? Comment down below, what is your favorite item that I got this season from FabFitFun? I have some great items in here, guys. Definitely worth the money, worth the price. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, stick around, and watch future videos. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!